Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test the clutch on your AC compressor using only a paper clip. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. So we are going to come in here, turn our key to the run position, pop our hood, you're going to get a paper clip and just kind of bend it into a U shape like this. And you're going to open up your fuse box here. This right here is your AC relay. So grab yourself a pair of pliers. Got a nice pair of Nimpex pliers here. I'll have these linked in the description below. And you're just gonna grab onto this relay, wiggle and pull very gently, pull that relay right out. So these copper colored pins are the ones that we want to contact with our paper clip. So we're going to get down here and we are going to push the paper clip down into those two pins. Might have heard the compressor click there a second ago. Just trying to get it set up nicely. There we go. All right, so you can kind of tell as we push this in and out, you're seeing a spark there and hearing that click. That click is coming from the compressor right there, and you can see it moving in and out. A little better shot if I can. You can see every time I push the paper clip in and out, that's clicking in and out. So that means the compressor is good. If you do that, make sure you've got good contact in those pins, but if your compressor is not clicking and moving like that, your clutch is not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.